Here we have a 2017 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. We also have the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the carbon black metallic paintwork, the adaptive LED headlights, we have the two gloss black front kidney grills as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find that we have the second alloy wheel. If we take a closer look, you'll find again excellent condition. We also have the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the rear spoiler lip just there as well. There is a close look at the third alloy wheel. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Around to the rear you find the twin pipe exhaust just on the left. We also have a power assisted tailgate which will open with a simple press of a button. Now inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need, as you can see very large. We also have a button just up there. If we press that it will close just like so. And coming back round now to the driver's side, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you'll find the full blue leather interior. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points as well, the vents for the rear passengers. On the doors you'll find the premium Harman Kardon sound system. We have the electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find that we have the same full leather interior. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable and they are also both heated. The driver's side has the memory function just down there. Again, the electric windows, which are for the rear, electric mirrors as well, premium Harman Kardon just there. We have the auto lights as well, the auto wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel with paddle shifters either side. If we take a seat inside, you'll find that we have the high beam assist just there, the carbon fibre as well, just here, effect, the cruise control and the speed limiter. If we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, you'll find the digital dashboard just up top. Now we can switch between different views on here just by pressing the different drive modes. So we have the Eco Pro, you'll find it changes the dials just there. Same with the Comfort and also the Sport drive mode. Moving across into the centre console you find the main infotainment screen. That warning triangle is only for the fuel, so nothing to worry about. If the screen is flickering, that's just the camera again, so nothing to worry about, it's not like that in reality. On here you'll find the sat-nav just there. We also have a range of media as well, such as the radio. You find the FM, DAB and AM radio, the music collection, the CD and DVD, the Bluetooth audio and the USB. We also have the phone connectivity just there as well. Going into the main menu, if we go into the notifications, as you can see the only warning is for the fuel, so that can be sorted very easily. We have the technology in action, which is where you find the sport displays just there. We also have the ambient lighting, so if you go onto the vehicle settings, this is where you find the ambient lighting just there. And again, you have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro, we have the Comfort, Sport and the Sport Plus. Further down you find the climate control. We have the heated seats on either side, ice cold air conditioning as well, all working just as it should do, as you can see. Further down you find some storage space. We also have two good sized cup holders hidden away, 12-volt connectivity, you have the gear stick, we also have the drive mode buttons just there, the parking sensors, the traction control button as well. All of the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, nice leather armrest just here, which can be opened up for more storage. Inside of there you find another USB port. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.
Video test drive of this 2017 BMW 435D XDRIVE M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive today is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. Now as you can see, I'm not fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, to get straight and true, not veering off to left or to the right hand side. Now I do have a half carbon fibre look and half suede steering wheel with your carbon fibre look accents all over. You have a paddle shifter if you set the car into manual mode, and you also have the cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side. Now on the indicator stalk you do have your auto high beam assist. We have the digital display, so when you do go through the different drive modes it then changes the look of the entire dashboard. It's a very cool feature to have and an optional extra on this vehicle. We have the integrated Harman Kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. They are the loudspeakers and are very, very good quality indeed. We have very comfortable full leather seats throughout this vehicle. Now the 2 front seats are heated and have the extended 5-sport, and the driver is electrically adjustable and also memory. We have your big Pro Nav screen in the centre where you can see satellite navigation. You have Bluetooth media, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, front and rear parking sensor with visual display. We have dual zone climate control just down here, working exactly how I'd expect it to, with 2 heated front seats. We have the BMW trim throughout this vehicle. That is the individual trim. You can see it all around. We also have the ambient lighting fitted to this vehicle, which is a very cool feature to have. Now we do have a very comfortable seats throughout this vehicle. You can quite easily do 200, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now here at our car sales, we are a 5-star dealership with over 500 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. Now if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good they are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. We do offer free nationwide next day delivery, so whether you are in the country we can facilitate that. So whether you're up in Scotland or down on the south coast of Plymouth, Devon or Cornwall, we can facilitate that free nationwide next day delivery. Now if you're test driving this vehicle today, you've listened out for anyone to knocks or bangs, and if you listen out during this test drive video so far, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. So in a second I will be coming up to the industrial state. I'm going to take a right hand turn where I'm going to perform a emergency stop and pop it straight into reverse, just show you that the brakes work exactly how you would expect them to, and you'll see pop up on the center screen the front and rear parking sensors. Now just before I do that, I am stopping at some temporary traffic lights, so I'm going to stop the test drive video now, then I'll carry it on when I start to move off for the emergency stop. So I shall see you in a second. Put the light on. So I am now taking off from the temporary traffic lights where I shall do the emergency stop. So after I've passed, I'll be coming up to the industrial estate in just a second, indicating to go in. I know I will do a countdown from 3 to do the emergency stop. So pulling in now, and I'll do the emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse, no issues whatsoever. You can see on the centre screen, the front and rear parking sensors. Back into drive, again, no issues whatsoever. Now, if you have an answer to all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer questions and run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me in this walk around video and test drive. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.